So I'm not sure if the camera's picking up the noise. I think it might be. It's about 9:30 on August 15th, I think it is. And I've just made a very late night landing at a campsite here. Just started setting up camp and I heard this noise. And though you probably can't make it out on the film, and I don't want to shine the light on him and spook him again, what this is a treed black bear. He's up a tree. I fired off a couple of bear bangers trying to scare him away, and what it did was scare him up a tree. And now I want him to actually come down out of the tree and go away. So I'm trying to be peaceful and calm and non-threatening. Shining my headlamp on him obviously just spooked him and made him want to stay in the tree even more. There he is again. He's as unhappy about this as I am. Right now, I just want him to come down out of the tree and go away. Because neither of us are going to get any rest with the current situation. So it's a few minutes later. My bear is still up a tree, still unhappy. I've turned on the lantern. Rather than shine a light directly on him, I'm hoping that if there's an area light and maybe he can see me and see that I'm not a threat, he'll come down to the tree and go away. I'm kind of caught between the bear and the deep blue sea here, because where I've landed is a long inlet with very few landing spots. And there are rapids in either direction from here, and I don't want to paddle strong current at night through bull kelp. That's just insane. On the other hand, kind of hanging around with a bear in camp is a bit crazy too, so what to do? So it's now about 11:15 at night, and my boat is packed up, and I am about to do one of my least favorite things, which is paddle across unknown water in the rain at night to an unknown destination. And the only reason I'm doing this is because the alternative, hanging around a campsite where there's a known agitated bear, seems even sillier. So on the plus side, it is calm, and I have the destination entered in my GPS, and it is raining, but it's warm, so all in all, looks good. I'm optimistic.